Let's start from reading is fun. Here is a question. Tick right the answer. Okay. Question number 1. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves, but here are three options. First one is a goat came along and ate all them. Second one is all the leaves got wet in rain. सारी ये जो पत्तियां बारिश में गीली हो गई नहीं. A man stole them. I think it is right. ठीक है ना. गोल्ड की पत्तियां किसने चुरा ली थी? एक आदमी ने. ठीक है. तो टिक हियर in the third column. And here is the second question. The little fir tree was sad. Here are three options. First one is because it had yellow leaves. क्यों उदास था? क्योंकि उसकी येलो लीव्स थी? नहीं, बिकॉज इट हैड नीडल लाइक लीव्स. ओके, आई थिंक इट इज राइट. सो second one is right. So tick here because it had needle like leaves. Now third one. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. This one. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. Here are three options. First one is because the goat came and ate them all. Gold leaves को थोड़ी खाया था, है ना. A man stole them. Once again ये क्वेश्चन फिर रिपीट हुआ है. A man stole them. एक आदमी ने उनको चुरा लिया. इसलिए फर ट्री खुश तो था लेकिन बाद में वो उदास भी हो गया. तो ये हमारी रीडिंग इज फन कंप्लीट हुआ. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, word building. Here is a question. In this question, you have to encircle the word to its opposite and rewrite these sentences once again. Okay, one has been done for you. First one is, look here. A. I carry a light bag to school every day. So what is the opposite word of light? We will just replace light as its opposite word heavy. We know. So we will write here once again the whole sentence. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Like this you have to do other one. So second one is Rina won the race. So we know that the opposite word of won is loss. So we'll write here Rina lost the race. And third one is C. I love eating vegetables. We will write here I hate eating vegetables because hate is the opposite word of love. Okay. Now D1. This glass of milk is full. We know that empty is the opposite word of full, so we will replace empty by full, and we will write once again the sentence. The glass of milk is empty. Okay. Now last one. The old man is wise. Wise opposite. Wise का opposite क्या होता है? Foolish. So we will write here the sentence like this. The old man is foolish. Now question number second. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding un or im. Some words maybe write their opposite by adding just un or im before their spelling. First word is happy, and we will add just un before happy. So opposite word of happy will be unhappy, and the opposite word of important will be unimportant. Polite, impolite, perfect, imperfect. We will just add un or im before the spellings. Okay. So you have to do this one in the copy also. Seen, unseen, healthy, unhealthy, proper, improper, safe, unsafe. These are the opposite words. And just adding by un or im in the spelling before them. Okay. Lucky, unlucky. Next one is patient, impatient, and possible, impossible, pure, impure. So these are the opposites. Okay, you have to write and learn also. Okay. Now next exercise. Look here. Here is a picture and you can see a girl and a dog here. The name of the girl is Rita and it is her dog Sheru. Okay. Rita loved her dog Sheru. Every day, Sheru would go out of the house and came back himself. But one day, he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Uh, Tears rolled on her cheek. Sheru was lost. He was never nowhere to be found. Rita was crying. When she reached home, she got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? कौन था ये? Guess कर सकते हो? Yes, it was her dog Sheru. Rita was very happy. You can see here some words are written in blue. So give the opposites of the words in blue. And you have to write here space given. Okay. So answer is loved. Its opposite is hated. And second one is go out. So what will be the opposite of go out? Come in. And next one is come. What is the opposite of come? Go. Everywhere, nowhere. Down, up. Lost, found. So write down here like this. Okay. Nowhere, everywhere. Crying, laughing. Happy, sad. So children, you have to write and learn this exercise also. Now this is the time of let's write. Here you can see two passage given. And what you have to do, you have to rewrite this passage by using capital letters where necessary. Okay, first one is one Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water, and their friend Raj. So, what we have to do, we will write here, start from here 1. So, O will be capital letter as it is the first letter of the sentence. So, O will be capital in 1. And Saturday, in the spelling of Saturday, S will be capital because it is the name of a day. Afternoon, Amarjit. Amarjit is the name of a person. Okay. So you have to write A as capital letter and his little sister Rani. Once again, R of the Rani's name will be capital letter. Okay. So write down here R as a capital. Okay. Rani went for a picnic India Gate to India Gate. Okay. So you have to write here I and G as a capital, then full stop. There they saw. So after full stop, once again the next sentence is going on. So you have to write T as capital letter here. Okay. They saw ducks, water, and their friend Raj. Once again, Raj is the name of a person. So you have to write R as a capital letter. Okay. Children, you know what is noun? Yes, noun is the name of a person, place, animal, things. Okay. So here are India Gate is a place, and Amarjit, Rani, and Raj are the name of persons. So we will write here their name starting from capital letter. Okay. Next one is, oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old needle like leaves best, for goats don't eat them, and no man can steal them. So answer is here. We will start from O. As a O is the first letter of the sentence, so we will write O as a capital letter, and before O we will put inverted commas also. Okay, and then exclamatory mark here. ओके, ये विस्मयबोधक चिन्ह लगाएंगे बच्चों यहाँ पर. ओ डियर, डियर का डी भी कैपिटल आएगा बच्चों. सेड द फर ट्री, आई लाइक my old needle like leaves best. So before I, once again we will just put two inverted commas and I will be capital. Okay, and after best there will be a comma here. For goats don't eat them, and no man can steal them. Okay, so you have to write this exercise also in the copy. Sorry, let's talk. Here you can see a picture below. In the yellow box, there are 8 things. Yellow box में 8 चीजें दे रखी है. 6 of them you can see in the picture. Picture में उनमें से 6 आप देख सकते हैं. The other 2 you cannot see. कोई भी 2 चीज आपको इसमें नहीं दिखती है. अब कौन कौन सी नहीं दिखती है? देखिए, ducks is here we can see ducks, mat, also we can also see mat, and dog, girl. Okay, tree, फाउंटेन एंड फ्लावर्स. सो हमें कौन सी चीज नजर नहीं आ रही है बच्चों? हमें फाउंटेन नजर नहीं आ रहा है. और क्या नहीं नजर नहीं आ रहा है? हमें डॉग भी नजर नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है बच्चों, तो हम यहाँ पर वो चीज लिखेंगे जो चीजें हमें यहाँ पर नजर आ रही है. ठीक है, सो हमने क्या लिखा? बर्ड्स, डक, ट्री, and flowers. Okay, so you have to write here this name. uh, in the picture we can see. Now in the second question, what to do? You have to describe the picture. Okay, look at the picture once again and describe the picture. Okay, here we can see one boy and a girl. Okay, you have to see this picture once again. Okay, and one boy and a girl is there we can see near the pond, and they are here for enjoying a picnic. So we will start here from uh, describing the picture. We can write here, we can see a boy and a girl are sitting near a pond. They have came for picnic. काय के लिए आए वहां पर? वो पिकनिक के लिए आए थे. They have brought food to eat एंड अ बॉल टू प्ले. वो अपने साथ में खाना खाने के लिए खाना भी लेके आए हैं, साथ में जो खेलने के लिए बॉल भी लेकर के आए. दे आर एंजॉइंग अ लॉट. बहुत ज्यादा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं बाय सीइंग द बर्ड्स, डक्स, एंड फ्लावर्स एंड ट्रीज. ओके, दे आर लुकिंग वेरी हैप्पी. So we can write here like this. Okay, children. Now one more exercise is given here. What to do? We have to just classify these action words which are given in the box: respecting elders, not saying thank you, being polite, है ना? रेस्पेक्ट करना बड़ों का, या फिर जो पोलाइट रहना, ये सब चीज़ें जो है लोगों को खुश करती है। जबकि नॉट सेइंग थैंक यू, किसी को किसी काम के लिए थैंक यू कहना नहीं कहना, तो अगर वो नहीं कहते तो लोग जो नाराज भी हो सकते हैं। सो वी विल राइट हियर actions that make people happy in this column. Okay, actions that make people unhappy, all the actions we will write here, like respect elders, being polite, and playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, caring for pets, and being honest. ये सब चीजें ऐसी है जिससे कि लोग खुश हो जाते हैं, है ना? और कौन-कौन सी चीज़ें इनसे कि लोग जो नाराज़ हो सकते हैं? यहाँ लिखेंगे एक्शंस दैट मेक पीपल अनहैप्पी, ऐसे एक्शन जिनसे कि लोग नाराज़ हो सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे नॉट सेइंग थैंक यू, नॉट शेयरिंग, है ना? थैंक यू नहीं कहना, शेयर नहीं करना, वॉचिंग टीवी ऑल डे, पूरे दिन टीवी देखते रहना तो नाराज़ हो जाते हैं मम्मी-पापा, है ना? तो लोगों को हम अनहैप्पी बना देते हैं इन सब चीज़ों चीज़ों से। टेलिंग लाइज़, झूठ बोलना, अगर आप बार-बार झूठ बोलते हैं तो लोग उससे भी नाराज़ हो सकते हैं। एंड बीइंग ग्रीडी, लालची हो जाना, लालची होना भी है जो एक लोगों को एक तरह से नाराज़ कर देता है। एंड लास्ट वन इज़ गेटिंग एंग्री ईज़िली, जल्दी-जल्दी नाराज़ होना। तो आप इसको लिख लें और याद करें। ठीक है बच्चों? नाउ वी विल डू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज। ओके, let's listen, read and write. Here is another exercise for you. Here you can see what is written here. There was a thick jungle with beautiful green trees and birds. Koel was singing happily. Okay, वहाँ पर एक जंगल था, बहुत ही सुंदर है, जो पेड़ थे वहाँ, पक्षी थे, और कोयल है जो गा रही थी। Okay, suddenly she heard something, someone is crying. अचानक उसने सुना कोई रो रहा है। It was her friend. यह उसका मित्र था। The peacock. वह उसका मित्र था पिकॉक, रो रहा था। She flew to him. वह उसकी ओर दौड़ के उड़ के गई और उससे पूछा, Why are you crying, friend? फ्रेंड तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? I hate myself. I have such ugly feet. ओह! वो कहता है कि मेरी जो बॉडी है, मेरा शरीर है कितना सुंदर है, मेरा रंग, मेरा रूप, मेरे पंख कितना सुंदर है, लेकिन मेरे पाँव बहुत अगली हैं, बदसूरत हैं। तो वो इसी वजह से नाराज़ है, इसलिए वह जो खुश नहीं है ना? दुखी है। सो ये होमवर्क मैं दे रहा हूँ बच्चों आपको मैं, यू हैव टू डू इट इन होमवर्क, ना? समथिंग मेक्स यू हैप्पी, समथिंग मेक यू फील हैप्पी, कुछ-कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो आपको हैप्पी बनाती है, और समथिंग मेक यू फील सैड, और कुछ-कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपको उदास कर देती है। राइट अ पोएम ऑन द पिक्चर, पिक्चर को देख कर के पोएम लिखिए। आप चाहें तो बच्चों हिंदी में भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है बच्चों? उसमें आपको लिखना है कि कौन-कौन सी चीज़ों से आप दुखी हो जाते हैं, उसी पर आप एक पोएम लिखिए, अपने पेरेंट्स की मदद ले सकते हैं इसमें आप। यहाँ हमने आपके लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट वर्क देखा है बच्चों। तो प्रोजेक्ट वर्क में क्या करना है आपको? लेट्स मेक अ वर्ड ट्री। ये जो दिया हुआ आपको ग्रीन पेपर शीट से एक वर्ड ट्री बनाना है, और यहाँ पर जब ये वर्ड ट्री बन जाए, उनके ब्रांचेस पर आपको क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? राइट वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू लीव्स। लीव्स से रिलेटेड जो भी वर्ड्स होते हैं आप यहाँ लिखेंगे, है ना? एंड मेक अ वर्ड ट्री। ओके, तो दिस वाज योर। Now children, this is your worksheet about the lesson The Little Fir Tree. Okay, so first 10 questions are MCQs, multiple choice questions. Okay, question first, what was the name of the magician who needed shelter from the rain? So you have to tick on the right option. Here are 4 options: A. Saxena, B. Shelly, C. Shetty, D. Shambhu. So you have to tick out the right one. Now second question. Where was Shetty going when all of a sudden it began to rain? Here are also 4 options. First one is he was going to his friend's home. Second one is he was going to his relative's home. Third one is he was returning home. And last one is he was going to a village. So you have to choose right option, okay, and tick here. Now third one. What what did Shetty do when it started heavy rain? Okay. So here are also 4 options. Option A, he ran towards a small hut. Option B, he opened his colored umbrella. Option C, he ran towards a fir tree for shelter. And last one is he began to dance. Okay, so choose a correct one and tick here. Now question number 4. What was the first wish of the fir tree? Okay, so you have to choose the first wish of fir tree. Options are to have red leaves. Second is to have green leaves. And third one is to have yellow leaves. And last one is to have many fruits on it. So choose correct one and tick out. Now fifth question. Who ate all the green leaves of the fir tree? Options are A. Donkey, B. Deer, C. Goat, and D. Sheep. Now sixth question. What was the second wish of the fir tree? Okay, you have to tick on right option. Option A is to have silver leaves. Option B is to have small branches. Option C is to have gold leaves. And option D to have big leaves. Choose the right one and tick out on the right option. Okay. Now question number 7. What happened to the gold leaves of the fir tree? Options are A. A girl came and take all the gold leaves. Option B. A woodcutter cut all the gold leaves. Or option C. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. None of these. None of these means इनमें से कोई नहीं है. अगर इनमें से कोई नहीं है तो हम इस पे टिक करेंगे बच्चों. Question number 8. The fir tree was. Options are fir tree कैसा था? Options are given here. Option A, pretty. Option B, very small. Option C, very tall. Option D, happy. So you have to choose the right one. Now question number 9. How many wishes were granted to the fir tree by magician? Magician के द्वारा कितनी है जो विशेष ग्रांट की गई थी? So आप जानते हैं options are given here. A option is 3, B 4, and C 6, and D 1. Okay, so tick out on the right option. Now MCQ's last question. Question number 10. What was the fir tree's fourth wish? Fourth wish क्या थी? उस पर आपको टिक करना है. Option A is to have glass leaves. Option B is to have no leaves at all. Or option C, to have its needle-like leaves back. और ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ these. अगर ये सारे सही हैं तो आप वो भी लिख सकते हैं. सॉरी बच्चों. क्वेश्चन बी, डू एज डायरेक्टेड. जैसा आपको कहा जाए वैसा आपको करना है इसमें. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट एनी 5 more verbs used in this story such as saw, like, began, returning, looked, stopped, asked, came and eat. इसी तरह की जो verbs में आई है आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है from the story only. Okay. And now question number second. Circle present form means first form of the verb. वर्ब का जो फर्स्ट फॉर्म है इनमें से जो आपने लिखना है और जो ये हमने दिए हैं आपको, इनमें से जो भी फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिखा हुआ है, जैसे स्टॉप, ये स्टॉप का सेकंड फॉर्म है, तो आपको फर्स्ट फॉर्म लिखना है. फर्स्ट फॉर्म जैसे कि आस्क्स. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. यू हैव टू सर्कल देम. यहाँ पर आपको फर्स्ट फॉर्म पे सर्कल करना है, लिखना नहीं है बच्चों, यहाँ पे सर्कल करना है. एंड अंडरलाइन द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. पास्ट फॉर्म जैसे हमने बताया स्टॉप्ड, तो इस पे अंडरलाइन करना है, यहाँ नीचे इसके नीचे अंडरलाइन कर देंगे. ठीक है बच्चों. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. राइट 5 more noun words from the story such as shetty, needle, goat, tree, gold, man and glass. As you know, what are nouns? Noun is the name of a person, place, things, animals, etc. Okay. So all the naming words are called nouns. So you have to write 5 more naming words here. Okay. Now question number 4. Make plurals of plurals. Leaf. This is one leaf. Many. अभी क्या आएगा यहाँ वो आपको लिखना है. B, needle. C, man. Wish and class. You have to write their plurals form. Okay. Now question number 5. Write opposites of. You have know about the opposites. So you have to write the opposites of. A is won. Won का opposite जो होगा वो यहाँ लिखेंगे आप. ठीक है बच्चों. यहाँ जो स्पेस आपको प्रोवाइड की गई है. And second is light. Third one is love. And next is fool. And last is wish. You have to write their opposites. So that was your worksheet. And here is your class test sheet. Okay. Class test will be taken in 2 periods. Okay. So after the completion of the whole chapter, exercise and grammar portion, you have to do this class test sheet in your copy. Okay. And you may get its print also if possible, or you have to write this class test sheet in your copy. Okay, so these are the questions. You have to read them carefully and write the names, write the answer. Okay, yes. Okay, children, this is your class test sheet. You have to do it in your copy. Yes. Here are 9, 10 questions in the class test. Okay, so you should do it. Okay, Bye, children.